Hi students, welcome to my channel Thoughts of Physics.
In the video series of oscillations, in this class I am going to explain simple harmonic motion. Shortly it is SHM. SHM means simple harmonic motion. So first let us discuss the definition of simple harmonic motion. So the motion in which a body moves to and fro above its mean position such that at any point its acceleration is directly proportional to its displacement in magnitude but opposite in direction and is directed always towards the mean position. So this type of motion is called simple harmonic motion. Let us discuss this briefly. So now simple harmonic motion is nothing but it is a to and fro motion, that is towards and away from. So that is to and fro motion. That is the first condition. Simple harmonic motion should be to and fro motion about its mean position such that at any point its acceleration is directly proportional to its displacement. Acceleration of the body directly proportional to displacement in magnitude but opposite in direction. That means acceleration should be in the opposite direction of displacement and is directed always towards the mean position. That acceleration always it should directed towards the mean position. So these are the characteristics and the definition of simple harmonic motion. That is acceleration directly proportional to the displacement in magnitude but opposite in direction, and the acceleration should act towards the mean position and it should be to and fro motion. So that is the definition of simple harmonic motion. And if A is the acceleration of the body at any given displacement y, for example, if the displacement of the body from the mean position is y, at that instant if the acceleration of the body is a. Now that according to the definition, that acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement y and opposite in direction. So now this minus sign gives that the direction of acceleration is opposite to the direction of displacement. So that's why a proportional to minus y. Here if you introduce a proportionality constant, it becomes a is equal to minus ky. Here k is the proportionality constant. Now, so this is the condition for the simple harmonic motion. We can say the equation of simple harmonic motion. A is equal to minus ky. Now, so already we have discussed that when a particle executing simple harmonic motion, the expression for the acceleration a is equal to minus omega square y. This is the expression for the acceleration of the body in simple harmonic motion. Here omega is the angular velocity and a is the acceleration and y is the displacement. Now, so according to Newton's second law, so we know F is equal to ma. Now F is equal to m into a in place of that acceleration. So we substitute the value minus omega square y. So it can be written as F is equal to minus m omega square y. Now it can be taken as F is equal to minus k into y. In place of m omega square we have taken k, because m is constant, omega is constant. That's why m omega square is equal to k we are taking. This is m omega square is constant. From this omega square is equal to, if you take m this side, it becomes k by m. Now omega is equal to root over k by m. Now from this F is equal to minus ky, if you proportionality constant k, then you can relate F and y, because k is constant. If you relate F and y, F is proportional to minus y. F is proportional to minus y. Here the force which is directly proportional to the displacement and it is opposite direction. The force which is directly proportional to the displacement y and it is in opposite direction, because here we find minus. Minus means the force direction is opposite to the direction of displacement. So now the force F is restoring force. Here the force F, we can say that is restoring force, because if it is applied force which should be in the direction of displacement, but it is opposite to the direction of displacement, so F is restoring force. So now this is the another way of defining the simple harmonic motion. So one way of definition of a simple harmonic motion is acceleration is directly proportional to the displacement in magnitude but opposite in direction. It is to and fro motion. So another way of defining simple harmonic motion is, here F is the restoring force because it is in the opposite direction of displacement. From this we can define simple harmonic motion in another way, that is the to and fro motion. Here the to and fro motion about its mean position, in which the restoring force is always directly proportional to the displacement but in opposite direction and directed always towards the mean position. The restoring force, it should always directed towards the mean position, because what is the restoring force means? The force due to which the body regains its original configuration. Restoring force means the force due to which the body regaining its original configuration. So now that's why due to this restoring force, the body tried to move towards the mean position, because mean position is its actual position. When it is at rest, the body, it like to be at mean position. So that's why due to the restoring force, the body tried to move towards the mean position. So that's why that restoring force is always directly proportional to the displacement in magnitude but opposite in direction. Then the restoring force always directed towards the mean position. This is the another definition of simple harmonic motion. So that's why we can define the simple harmonic motion in two ways. One is, this one is first definition, A proportional to minus y. Another definition of simple harmonic motion is F proportional to minus y. This is also called as force law of simple harmonic motion. Now, so let us discuss the examples of this simple harmonic motion. Now, oscillations of simple pendulum with small displacements. So simple pendulum means whenever the bob of the simple pendulum is pulled aside and released, then simple pendulum, it makes horizontal oscillations. And here it simple pendulum makes the angular displacement theta. Now angular displacement means the angle made by the thread of the pendulum with the mean position or with the vertical. So if the theta is small, then only those oscillations can be considered as simple harmonic motion. Oscillations of simple pendulum with small displacement. Similarly, the oscillations of loaded spring. Whenever a spring is loaded with some mass and when it is pulled down and it is released, the load, it makes vertical oscillations. Those oscillations also can be considered in simple harmonic motion if the displacement is small. If the displacement is large, we cannot consider those oscillations are in simple harmonic motion. So another example for simple harmonic motion, that is vibrations of prongs of tuning fork. These are the examples, some examples of simple harmonic motion. So this is about the definition of simple harmonic motion and the characteristics of simple harmonic motion and examples of simple harmonic motion. Thank you.